dark side.
Hello everybody, it's Dark Matter here with another exciting video. In today's exciting video, I'm going to tell you some things I've done and haven't done. Yeah, no, my videos have been kind of erratic and slow. Just had a lot going on, guys. Please bear with me. You know, I'm trying to figure stuff out. So we got the motorized bike kind of put together. It's not complete yet. Like as you can see, like right there, there's no tank yet. That's got to go on yet. But I did get the engine on. I have to order some. I have to order a tool, a chain breaker, and I have to order an offset intake manifold, because right there, as you can see, get right up on it. See how close this is to my bar right there, and it's sitting on an angle. That's the carburetor. This is the carburetor, and it's sitting on an angle like that, so it doesn't hit this bar. I'm gonna have to get a offset intake manifold that'll come out, and then my carburetor will set off to the side. So that's got to be done. Guess I should probably put some air in the tires too, and I want to take that front fender off. I don't really want to, but their fenders are kind of dangerous, and that one kind of is even more dangerous because it doesn't have any support bars there to hold it in place. If it was plastic or rubber, I wouldn't even care, but it isn't. It's metal, and I don't want it getting jammed up in my wheel at, 20, 30, 40 miles an hour. I don't know how fast this thing's going to go. Probably about 20, between 20 and 30. That's my guess. I don't know. It's going to be fun though. And so I got the wheels put back on it. I got the motor put on it. I got to get an offset manifold, intake manifold, an offset intake manifold for it, and I got to put the muffler on it and stuff like that, and get the chain on it, and then hopefully, the gas tank, and then hopefully we'll be able to take it for a ride. I'm gonna go through and check all the bolts and whatnot and make sure. I already checked out this engine. All right, this engine was pretty clean. I didn't take it all apart because, well, I don't have a torque wrench for one, and really I'm not the guy that's going to want to get in there and start carving on the inside of my intake or my head, so I'll leave that to the professionals. I'm just the guy that's going to ride this till it blows up. Well, hopefully it don't blow up, but if it does, it does. We're going to have fun on it either way. So that's the update, guys. I do have one other thing coming up. I'm going to be probably doing some videos. I got commissioned from a channel called Prep For It. I'll put a link to her channel in the description below. She wants me to carve her a ferro rod handle, so we'll see what we can do with that too, and hopefully we can make something pretty for her. I don't know. I don't know how good of a carver I am, so we'll see what happens there. And yeah, so this is just kind of an update to what's going on and why I haven't put nothing out. In order to put out something on YouTube, I kind of feel like it should be something worth putting out, and lately I just haven't had anything worth putting on YouTube. And I mean, I could throw up anything basically and call it a video, but I'd rather have you guys enjoy what you're watching. So, gotta look at that engine again. There it is. And like I said, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I gotta wait for a little bit until I order some parts. Then it should be good to go. I'm also trying to figure out a charging system for this bike, okay? And it's kind of, they have the white wire, of course. You can see the white wire right there, kinda, if I get out of the way. See the white wire right there? That's put there so you can run a light off it, but it robs, focus, There we go. It robs the engine of power when, you know, from spark. So I don't really want to do that, but I have found something that's very interesting, and I got to try to figure it out. All right, so until I figure it out, I'm just going to leave it at that, because I don't want to tell you, hey, we're going to do this, and then me not be able to do it, of course. And so I got some studying to do, and yeah. All right, well, so far, this is what we got going. The bike doesn't have a name yet or anything. It's got to earn it. I pretty much kind of know what it's going to be, but we'll see if it runs and stuff first. Let's get to that point, okay, before we start trying to give it cool names and stuff like that, all right? Hey, all right, guys, I appreciate you. I appreciate all of you all the time. You guys are the best in the world. As always, I'm your buddy, I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out.
The power of the dark side.